What's up, job seekers? Today I'm reviewing the Job Hunter app that promises to revolutionize your job search. But is it legitimate or just another fake promise? Job Hunter app claims to connect you with exclusive job opportunities using AI matching technology. The interface looks professional with filtering options for location, salary, and industry. I spent 3 weeks testing its features and applying through the platform. Here's what I found. The app does aggregate jobs from various sources, which is helpful. The matching algorithm seems basic but functional. However, many listings are outdated or redirect to external sites. Customer support is slow to respond, and some promised features don't work properly. Red flags include misleading success stories and pushy premium upgrade prompts. The free version is severely limited, pushing users toward paid plans that offer minimal additional value. Legitimacy verdict. It's not a complete scam, but it's not particularly effective either. The app functions but doesn't deliver on its bold promises. You're better off using established job boards like Indeed or LinkedIn. Skip this one and focus your energy on proven job search methods instead.